Guys, we'll come back to speaker now. I'm still a poet here, DJ. So today ngifuna ukureact nje kwi-article engibona manje ngibona la kwi-Slicker Online futhi ke i-concert leka Ricky Cotton Fest is coming to an end. So I think yeah, this is bad news for hip hop, especially for youth because Ricky wena ade investe yona kakhulu. So abaningi bazokhumbula ukuthi yaqale ngo-2019 and yaqale rise after i-beef yakhe beno Casper Nyovest because the time besplitter Ricky waphula apha i-Cotton Fest yokuqala and wabooka everyone wayekhona kwi-hip hop except to Casper. So yaqala lapho yabhila. I remember there was one year 2020 ama-ticket akhona esedayisiwe, then kwaba ne-COVID. I think iyona ke leyo eyaba big kakhulu ya 2020 because kweyesibili oqala experience akhona i-rise because yayine-JJ eningi but ke there's one engangifuna uku-attend after ngalo nyaka ashona ngawo Ricky. I'm not sure if 2022 or 2023 but angiyanga kuyona, so bengakaze ngibone kahle experience yakhona but bengi-happy because ikhona abake bayenza i-bridge yakhona bayenza eDurban enye bayenza e-Cape Town. So I thought bayibambile lapho because indlela edebeza ngayo especially uBianca laphana oyena umuntu o-involve kakhulu kwi-legacy ka-Ricky lakho unkosikazi wakhe uyena umuntu wade yaba phambili because wena futhi wade manager, so izinto eziningi kanjena be-organizer wayena. So I'm not sure isiphi isizathu esibambe kaphi because ama-tickets e-Cotton Fest 2026 abesevele sedayiswa. I think babadesa from April abesekhona online, so angi-understand bese bephula out so ku-December because kuselinyanga eziwu-2 because iba nguFebruary neqaleni lawa-February. So I'm not sure if ama-sponsor mhlawumbe baxabanele bona but I don't think mhlawumbe bengaphela ube besekhona uRicky because uRicky umuntu osebenza nama-brand. I remember nje ngiqala ukuthenga i-album yakhe leyo, the only album ayikhipha esaphila, i-Family Values, wesebenzisana nenye i-brand ebizwa ngeMila bazokhumbula abathanda utshwala le brand yakudala. So ukuthi mawuthenga i-6 pack eMila uthola ne-album kaRicky la, that was back in I think 2016 because babenza i-promotion ePeter Marisburg. Nami ngaqala lapho kuba ne-album kaRicky because ngangathengana nokuthenga i-albums, sasithenga lento esasiyithenga leso sikhathi but I think i-hip hop ivele yalekha ama-show. So ukuhamba kwe-Cotton Fest I think kuzoba i-big blow kwi-hip hop ngempela. So hopefully izoba khona enye into eyenzakala but I don't think ama-good news la, especially for ama-youngins laba abantu abafana nabo Uncle Vin laba lo genge nje lama street trip because uRickano beba backup and i-Cotton Fest leyo show. There's one guy engihlangane naye eJoburg 2024 kwi Back to the City Festival uyi-videographer and uhlezi esebenza khona lapho. So abanye abantu every year uhlezi ngiselela i-message, hot man, are you coming to Cotton Fest? Lo ngithi no, next year ngizofika but into engayanga kuyona ngibonanga. So but I think this is bad news for hip hop. So yeah, uMakhado bafethu ushiye esinye ispace ke but mhlawumbe ebahlulekile ukuba uyimanage engasekho because akukho lula ukuphila iphupho lomuntu engasekho but nje ngiphoxekile, angifuni uqamba amanga but ke so thini ama-event ahectic especially after i-COVID-19. Ngirespecta anyone osakwazi ukuphula apha i-event especially ezoba nabantu aba-more than 10,000 because akuyona ijoke ama-event, ama-tickets ase-expensive, abantu aba-afford ama-ticket, is unemployment. So ziningi izinto ezama-affect us but I think i-Cotton Fest bisayibambile because even the last one binama-stages are more than 3. So I don't think mhlawumbe bese kubheda imali ngaleyo ndlela. Maybe bengazama ukuthi besikele down mhlawumbe ube ne-stage esisodwa or something bezama, or else maybe abafuna ukumosha experience abantu abeza laphana because isaqala as I said leyo qala ino-Ricky like yayinama-activities amaningi eyenzeka khona. So mhlawumbe bebezothi bemosha ilegacy yakhe maybe badecide ukuthi bavele beyivale-ke. So asazi-ke but anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe, sikhona naku-Twitch ethi Speaker Nawe. We out.